Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles without the noodles. The first thing you're going to need is a package of ramen noodles. Right here I have beef flavored ramen noodles. You're going to need a fork, a pot, and a cup of water. Alright, so we're just going to go in the back and read things. It says right here to boil 2 cups of water. I have the water right here. In saucepan, add the noodles and cook for 3 minutes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this to a boil. All right, after 3 minutes, it says turn off heat, add contents of flavor packet, and stir well for 1 minute. So I'm gonna turn off the heat, and then I'm just gonna open up the packet and pull out the flavoring. And then pour this inside of there. And I'm gonna stir this for 1 minute. All right, after 1 minute, it should be done, and you just pour it into a bowl. And then you serve it while it's hot. And that's how you make ramen noodles without the noodles. Let me know if you have any questions.